Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Well, today I opened my Tradingview and I was looking for the MATIC chart, and obviously it's disappeared now. It still worked yesterday on Binance, completely gone now. So I took a look at what's out there. Did they keep the previous history? No, they didn't. So that leaves us with a major problem, because this has just now been degraded to a shitcoin chart, right? Like, it's just without any history. I mean, from a technical point of view, we do need the history. Okay, that's what we need. So if a chart doesn't have history, it's not you can't use it. It's there's no previous support, At least here I looked through all of them right here on Tradingview. I mean, some even only have a few days of chart history. Others started in October last year. I think that might have been, I'm not a great expert in the Polygon ecosystem, but that might have been when the Polygon and the MATIC tokens started to coexist for a while. But yeah, there's not the entire history. It's gone. So that there's nothing, it's useless now. It's pointless. So I'm not entirely sure if I will continue to cover Polygon that much, because the data is just not there, right? Well, maybe. We'll see what you say. Let me know in the comments if you want it covered in the future as well. The thing is, it really, I could take the most random shitcoin chart and compare it with this. This would be bad, right? Because the entire history is gone. So it starts pretty much here in October 23. And we this is corrective. So this is turned into an ABC, which it was before as well, right? This was the top, the March top when the correction started. So to the downside, I mean, again, there is no previous support left. So yeah, it is bad. It really is. So there are different ways of how this could be labeled. The most, let's say straightforward way would now be, based on this, to say this is a W, this is an X. The low can't really be, well, it could be in, but it's just not probable. So we're dealing with a WXY. This is a complex correction, and in the Y wave we have an ABC. An A wave, B wave, 3-wave rally, right? And then a C wave down. This is reasonable. I don't trust this wick. It looks a little bit different on each exchange, but as I said, the chart history is now very, very weak. So this is what we could work with. You can also call it a WXYXZ pattern, which might fit a little bit better, to be honest. I think that's actually how I had it before. I think that's how I had it in the video earlier today. Yeah, let's do it like that. And why do I do that? I just like the proportions more. But to be fair, what I just showed you is correct as well. WXYXZ. For me, the justification is just not because it's the most probable scenario. It might not even be that, but at least we can watch, because I'm tracking that for some other coins as well, an A, B, C structure. So that gives me at least the possibility to add resistance area here. It's between 47 cents and 63. That's it. Okay, the trend is down clearly, and there is no history. All the previous support levels are gone, and we have a resistance area that the bulls would need to overcome. This is the bearish count. Could easily get another low into the mid 20 to low 20 cent region. From a bullish point of view, the only way the bulls could turn it around is if this was, and this is highly speculative, a diagonal pattern to the upside. Something like that. This would be an ABC in wave 1, ABC in wave 2, which is possible, but again, data quality is low. But actually here on the MACD chart, and it looks on Kucoin quite similar, this could be an ABC in wave 2, indeed. But then this is not really anything convincing. So we might have started the third wave, but it would need to break above 63.2 cents to confirm it further. So yeah, unfortunately, I'll definitely keep watching Polygon, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna cover it that much, because the data quality is now very poor. I mean, we are pretty much at all-time low level now, just looking at Polygon. I mean, the previous history is just wiped out, right? Not sure if it exists anywhere. Not here on TradingView. Can't find it at least. Not sure if they will add it at some point, but yeah, even here, Bing X, see, there's nothing. So that definitely has degraded it down from a technical point of view. Yeah, because all this previous achievement, yeah, what this chart has accomplished in the past is wiped out. It's quite significant. I mean, yeah. Well, that's what it is. So they wanted it like that, and it means all we have is from a all-time low, we have a 3-wave move up, 3 waves down. That definitely allows for a bit of an upside here. Yeah, it's not 5 waves down, it's 3 down. So the resistance area is clear. But if we get into the resistance area and there's a first 5-wave pattern to the downside, then this is likely going to indicate here the next move down into the mid to low 20-cent region. Unfortunately, can't really give you anything else. There's nothing left on this chart, so hope you liked the update still. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.